Hey, it's Mark from Genealogy Explained, and today I'm going to share some interesting Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals on DNA test kits for 2023. I'll highlight what each kit offers and who might benefit the most from these deals. So let's dive in. First is the Ancestry DNA deal. They're currently offering 40% off. The Black Friday deal will be for 50% off on the DNA kits. Ancestry is a great choice for all genealogy enthusiasts because of their enormous customer database, which means you'll likely find more DNA matches as compared to the other DNA testing companies. Moving on to MyHeritage. They're offering their DNA kits starting right now for $33, which is the lowest price they've ever had. MyHeritage stands out for its large international database of DNA matches. So this is ideal for those looking for global matches, particularly in Europe. It's a great option for comprehensive genealogical research at an affordable price. Moving on to 23andMe. They have various discounts on their services for Black Friday, like the Ancestry service for $79 and the Health Plus Ancestry service for $99. 23andMe is unique as it offers health testing along with genealogical DNA testing. This is a good choice if you're interested in both your ancestry and some health insights. Moving on to Family Tree DNA. They're offering significant discounts on their range of DNA kits, including the Family Finder Y-DNA and mitochondrial DNA testing. Family Tree DNA is perfect for those who want to explore the specific lines of their family tree via the Y-DNA and mitochondrial DNA testing. This would be their direct maternal and paternal lineage. So there you have it. These are some of the best DNA kit deals available this Friday and Cyber Monday. So whether you're interested in detailed ethnicity reports, health insights, or specific paternal or maternal lineage, these deals cater to a wide range of genealogy interests. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Enjoy exploring your ancestry.